Gyerem, gyerem!
That was happening in Gaza, and also that operations are going to be reduced to the minimum. So this hasn't been officially confirmed, but it seems to be the first reaction to the latest developments, the response by Hamas to the plan that was announced by President Trump, and also the reaction by President Trump embracing this response that was given by Hamas last night.
Japan's ruling Liberal Democratic Party has chosen the hardline conservative Sanae Takeichi as the party's new leader. In a runoff vote, the former Internal Affairs Minister beat out the Agriculture Minister Shinjiro Koizumi to the post. Takeichi is now likely to become Japan's first female prime minister. The LDP is looking to regain public favor after a number of recent election setbacks. The U.S. Defense Secretary has said that his army has destroyed another boat off the coast of Venezuela among growing tensions between the two countries. It's the fourth such boat targeted by the U.S. since early September, as NPR's Ada Peralta reports.
Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth said the attack killed 4 men whom he accused of being, quote, narco-terrorists. President Trump alleged the boat was loaded with enough drugs to kill up to 50,000 people, but the White House has offered no evidence of that. Venezuela says these are provocations by the U.S., which is intent on toppling the leftist authoritarian government of President Nicolas Maduro. Venezuela's Minister of Defense, Vladimir Padrino, said they had also detected 5 American F-35s flying very close to Venezuelan territory on Thursday.
Munich Airport is gradually resuming operations after a second consecutive night of closure due to drone sightings. Flights were originally meant to resume at 5 a.m., but were delayed again after further sightings. Munich is the latest in a series of European airports forced to close temporarily due to unexplained drone activity. Last week, airports in Denmark and Norway were affected. Today's weather is changing.
What's going on? UAVs? Or something else?
Thanks, Simon.
We found a million noisy, moving, colorful objects. You won't believe it.
It's your morning. It's your music.
Morning show.
Well, that would be quite something to find a million colorful objects. 3 minutes past 9, and Joy Crooks is on her morning walk saying, "Feet, don't fail me now."